Everyone, welcome back to my 20-second Python tutorial. Well, first of all, I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to post for a month, but I'm now back again. So let's go on with it. And also, especially since I'm on my winter break, I'll try to post a tutorial every single day until New Year, and let's get on with it. So today I want to talk about how to loop through dictionaries and how to use the break command in Python. So let's start with dictionaries. Uh, in one of my previous tutorials, I think I talked about dictionaries, which uses keys and values. It's basically another kind of sequence. It's like a double list. So let's make them right now. Let's set our name to Fav Season for our favorite season, and curly brackets. Let's say dad likes summer. Mom, oh my god, mom likes spring. I like fall, and my broski likes winter. My god, what am I doing? And close this, and let's check season, and bam. So how you're going to loop through a sequence or a list or dictionary in this case is by using the for loops. And how to initiate it is by saying just for, and we're going to need a variable that cycles around it. So we're going to name it I for items, and in because we're dealing with sequences, and then in the fav season because that's the one that we're doing, and colon, and let's say we're printing out all the I values, which is the items. So let's get on with it. And dad, mommy, bro, there's all there. So yeah, but then what if you wanted to print out the values as well? These summer, spring, fall, winter. Uh, it's pretty much the same. It's just that we need to modify the output. So what we're gonna do is here we're gonna add a space so it looks nice, and then what we're gonna do is fav season. It's like accessor method basically, and then I, and then close it. So what this does is when it prints out I, it's gonna find the corresponding value I, and then it's gonna print it as well. So let's see, dad, summer, mom, spring, me, fall, bro, winter. So that's basically how you can loop through a dictionary and print out both keys and values which are corresponding to each other. And the next thing I want to talk about is how to break out of an infinite loop. So remember when I taught you guys about the while loops and how it keeps running until the condition is false? Sometimes you're gonna want to like break out of the loop and go to the next thing. So the command break will do the job. Anyways, let's create a loop that goes on forever. Uh, while true, this will make it go forever because nothing is false yet. So while true, and then let's make a print statement. When is this thing ending? And then, okay, just give me a second. I'm sorry. And close this. But if we actually run this, it's gonna go on forever. So let's not do that. Let's make this into a input statement. Num equals input and enter a number. Uh-oh. So, but this is gonna still keep running if we input anything. So what we're gonna do is limit them by using the break, and how we're gonna do that is we want to like break at one point. So let's say like a special command to exit the code. So we're gonna use if num equals, remember to use double equals because we're checking if they're equal to each other. Let's say 999, then break. Break is literally just break. And let's run this. So let's say we're just entering random numbers, and then we just want to exit now. So 999, and then it should exit just like that. And yeah, actually, that's about it. So this will pass through, and then it will break, which will result in just getting out of the loop, basically. So that's your quick tutorial on looping through dictionaries to get both keys and values, and how to use infinite while loops and break out of it. So maybe play around this, as this infinite loop concept will be important in many different kinds of programs. And I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.